Myself, Professor Swarna Patil from the AGPIT Belagavi. Today we will discuss about the experiment, that is LCR series resonance. So here, what is the aim of the experiment? Determination of the aim of the experiment is determination of resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth of LCR. L is inductance, C is capacitance, R is resistance. So here we are going to determine the resonant frequency of a series LCR circuit, inductance, capacitance and the resistance. So what is the apparatus required is signal generator, voltmeter, inductance, resistance and capacitance. So this is the signal generator which will give you the frequency. We are going to vary the frequency from this signal generator or function generator. It is also called as AFO, that is audio frequency generator. Here we are keeping the range 1 kilo ohm. So we can read up to 1000 ohm, that is 1 kilohertz. So here up to 1000 hertz we can read the frequency if we keep for 1K. The next is the inductance box. This is the inductance box which is having the different ranges. So here we are keeping for the 200 millihenry, means here it is 100 into 100 millihenry, means 2 into 100, that is 200 millihenry. Other all will be at the 0 position. We are using 200 millihenry from the inductance box. In the capacitance also there are different ranges. We are using 0.2 microfarad. So it will be 2 into 0.2. Other all will be at a 0 position. Then this is the resistance of 1 kilo ohm. And this is the voltmeter. We are using this multimeter as a voltmeter. Here this is a common terminal and this is for the voltmeter. So these two terminals we are using for the connection because we are noting down the voltage. And this is for AC and DC. So we are using the AC because AC source we are using, so the voltage will be also AC. So these are the apparatus required and then the connecting wires. Now what is the circuit diagram for the series LCR circuit? So here we can see that this is a function generator. Then one end of this is connected to the one end of the inductance, other end of the inductance to the capacitance, other end of the capacitance to one end of the resistance. From there only it will go to the one end of the voltmeter. Other end of the voltmeter and the resistance will be connected to the AFO. So this is the circuit connections. Then what we are going to note down is the frequency and the voltage. We are going to change the frequency by 100 Hertz every time, and corresponding change in the frequency you are going to note down. And then we are going to see that in series combination, at the starting it will be minimum. As you increase the frequency, voltage increases and then again it decreases. Then frequency corresponding to the maximum voltage is called as the resonance frequency in case of series combination. So here this way you can find out the graphical value or the practical value for the resonance frequency in the series combination. Then to find out the quality factor and the bandwidth, for bandwidth again what we have to do is we have to find out the V maximum whatever we have got into 0.707. That value you have to plot on this y-axis, and from there you have to draw the line which cuts the curve at the 2 points. From there again perpendicular on the x-axis. Then you will get those F1 and F2 and its difference will be the bandwidth. And this is the formula FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC, where L is the inductance, we are taking it as 200 millihenry, C capacitance as 0.2 microfarad, and resistance is 1 kilo ohm. So you have to substitute these values and you have to find out the theoretical value of the resonance frequency. And this frequency value and this graphical frequency value must be nearly equal. And then to find out this quality factor, again you have to use this FR value, which is nothing but the resonance frequency from theoretical value of frequency as well as from the practical value. And inductance is 200 millihenry, resistance is 1 kilo ohm, means 1000 ohm we have to substitute. 200 millihenry means 200 into 10 raised to minus 3 Henry. So first you have to find out the theoretical value, that you will get something 795 Hertz. Then you have to go for the practical value. Then we'll see the procedure to find out the readings. First we'll go for the connection. So this AFO will have the two ends. So this is the AFO which is having the two terminals. From this AFO it will go to the one end of the inductance. Then other end of the inductance will go to the one end of the capacitance. This is a capacitance. Then other end of the capacitance to the voltmeter, one end of the voltmeter. Then other end of this will go to the resistance. Then other end of the voltmeter to the resistance, and then from there to the voltmeter. So this will be the connection. Then we are going to vary the frequency and then corresponding change in the voltage. So first we have to set it for 100 Hertz. This is coarse and this is fine. If you want to change the value by very small, then you can use this fine. For large value variation, you can use this. So here, first we'll set it for the 100 Hertz. So this is exactly 100 Hertz. Corresponding value of the voltage is 0.398 Hertz, or you can take only up to 2 digits, that is 0.39 volt. So this will be your first reading. Now if you increase the frequency by 100 Hertz, that is 200. So 200 Hertz, then the voltage is 0.76. So it is increasing. Again, if you increase the frequency, in steps of 100 you have to increase the frequency. For 300, again it is 1.44. So it is increasing. So as you increase the frequency, the voltage is increasing. So it will reach some maximum value. So you can see here now it is 2.49. Now it is decreasing. Means after 800 Hertz, the frequency is decreasing. So for 800 Hertz, the voltage was minimum. Means 800 Hertz is the resonance frequency. So if you plot the graph, you will get for 800 Hertz the maximum voltage. So 800 Hertz will be the resonance frequency for the series resonance. And whatever value you will calculate from the formula, that should be nearly equal to this. So then your series resonance is verified. Thank you.